How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2016 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. Really beautiful car inside and out. Has 111,000 miles on it. We just serviced it. All new spark plugs, so gave it a tune-up, oil change. Drives really good. Has really nice Michelin tires on it. Go ahead and check out the insides. Interiors in mint condition as well. Kind of check out here the back. You can see has the captain chairs, has the rear third row, sunroof, everything over here, rear media. And this has the 3.5 EcoBoost twin turbo V6. Super comfortable, great family car, smooth ride. Start her up. If it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for checking out this video. And if you have any Lincolns or Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, foreign or luxury domestic vehicle that needs repairs, definitely give us a holler.